Okay, so this is my model of an adobe. I chose it because I was curious in seeing how Native Americans progressed towards adobes instead of teepees. Um, I built it out of cardboard on the bottom as a base for it to sit on, and then there's a cardboard ladder here, and the door is cardboard, and it opens. The blocks are styrofoam, and they're glued together with hot glue. And it was of historical significance because once the Native Americans built their adobes, that they could have a permanent place to live, and then on top the adobes were either single story or more than one story, and this one has a second story you could see down in it. With adobes, tribes could move in by each other into more permanent placements. They were made so you can build on, down and down. Um, One adobe held room for one family, and then it was just, like I said, a permanent place of living, so they didn't have to relocate as they did with teepees. And this is the model of the adobe.